Today I will show you the basics of variables. First, create a script, and you create a variable by local, and then the variable name, for example, score. Then equals, and the variable value. It can be a string, it can be number, it can be boolean, true or false. It can be really anything. But for score, you will set number. For example, 0 is the starting one. Then I'll do while task dot wait 1. So every 1 second, this will happen. So let's do score plus equal, which will add to the variable. And for example, 1. So each 1 second, we're gonna get a score. And let's print the score. So let's run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. You can also change it here, so it's like score, and now it will show this in the output. Score equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. Next, let's do local name equals Bob, and then we can print my name is, let's do this name. Let's wait 2 seconds, and it should print my name is and the name. Let's run, and my name is Bob. For the next example, we can do it's VIP equals to true, and we're gonna do if is VIP, then print user is a VIP, and else, so the is VIP variable is false, then we're gonna print user is not a VIP. Let's run. User is VIP, and if you set the is VIP to false, user is not a VIP. So that's been for the basics of variables in Roblox Studio Luau. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.